What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video. How to change your air filter. That's right, air filter in your 2021 F-150. What do we got here? We got a few fingerprints here. I don't like that. All right. And as you can see, it's the V8, cuz. It's not the V6. It's not the 4-cylinder. None of that Eco Boost. I got the 5.0. What do you want to do? All right. We're going with the KAX, the KAX air filter. All right. Did some research on Amazon. This bad boy claims to improve the horsepower, which it's not needed. All right, we got improves horsepower, protects engine, all right, for a longer life, traps 2 times the dirt, and it's 98% filtration efficiency rating. What do you want to do? All right, so let's get to it, all right? It says you can go about 20,000 miles with this guy. Me, I would change my air filter every other oil change, and I do mine at about 6,000 miles. So at every 12,000 miles, whether or not I need to, I change it because I want this thing to last. All right, first thing you do, you got clips here on this side. You just want to pop these clips down. Very easy. I'm doing this with a phone, so just bear with me. And over here, we got some teeth that fit into this side groove. So you want to lift up on this guy, on this side, like this, and you want to pull it this way, pull it that way. So you want to lift up, kind of wiggle it out. You see the teeth, they go in the grooves down there. And then you just want to bring this up. Come down here, pull the filter out, go nice and easy. Give it a quick inspection. We got, looks like some dead bugs down there. We're gonna suck that out with the vacuum, all right? And then what you wanna do is you wanna take your air filter out. Yeah, this one's dirty. Flip it over. Oh, Madonna mia. This isn't a regular, just a stock one. That's why I'm going with the high performance, see if it'll last longer. The way you test it is obviously you can see it's dirty, right? But if it looks clean and you're not sure to change it, what you do is you wanna put on some lights in your shop and you wanna bring it up to the light. And look at that. You can't even see the light coming through. Just barely. This thing is dirty, needs to be replaced. So what do we do with this? Yay! We throw it out, all right? Come over here. We take the KAX out. I know I'm rambling, guys, but you're here for a how-to video. So you want to take it out of the box. Sorry about that. You want to take the plastic off. Maybe I should have prepared this before the start of the video. Look at this one. It's pretty sweet. All right, so you got your filter right here. Nice. It's got some extra cotton padding on this bad boy. Yeah, that's part of the filter. This doesn't come off. Look at that. So what you want to do is you're going to lift you're going to lift it back up. Hold it up. Let me just get a couple of these little things out of here. Look like little bugs. All right, then we're gonna lower this bad boy in place, just like that. And now you're gonna take your teeth part of this cover on an angle and you're gonna kind of fit them in these spots. Just like this. Push it down, get over here with the clips. Pop your clips back in. And this one here, be careful there, everything's plastic. And there you go. That's how you change an air filter in a 2021 F-150 5.0. What do you want to do? 5.0. And it should give you some extra horsepower if you go with the air filter that I just recommended. Check out the description below. I'm going to put the link in the description below. If you're interested in getting the same one, stay tuned for the next oil change or the next every other oil change, like I said, and we'll inspect the air filter and see how it's doing. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. What do we got to do now? Sonny, where are you, Sonny? If you're new to the channel, you don't know who Sonny is, you got to stay tuned for the end of the video. Sonny, what do you want to do, son? That's right, 5.0. Like the GT engine, kid, growing up. Remember in 89? Come on, what do you want to do? We'll catch you on the next one. Sonny, what do you want to do, son? It's getting late. We got to go inside, bro. Are you ready? Come on. Come on, Sonny.